Welcome to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to go in great detail and talk about the different places that you can find your products so you can start dropshipping with excellent products and we won't need to be using AliExpress. The one place which a lot of individuals use is AliExpress, and that is the reason why they do not get different products, and you will always see this problem with different dropshippers, and that's the reason we have made this video for you guys to ensure that you can find suppliers from different places and find products and prices which are different, thus giving you a competitive advantage. If you do not have a Shopify account, click on the description below on the link and get Shopify for 90 days. The first website from where you can source different suppliers is called eParolo.com. Now, eParolo is a branding project that can build a brand with your store products. They source customized branded products and dropship them for you. And the thing over here that I absolutely love is the fact that they have 300,000 users and they're still growing with 30 million fulfilled orders since 2015 and 1,000 branding members that are on this website. They have Amazon, they have Etsy, they have AliExpress, eBay, Shopline, all these different places, as well as Shopify. Now, basically, eParolo is a forever free dropshipping platform with superb branding services. Their customers are dropshipping business owners on different online marketplaces, and they empower e-commerce stores with product sourcing, order fulfillment, brand building, inventory management, and so much more. Now, the thing over here which I absolutely love is the fact that they bring everything into one place and they're able to find different products that you can actually get onto your Shopify. And obviously, finding free dropshipping suppliers is essential, and eParolo does an amazing thing. You can freely access millions of dropshipping products with 107 niches that are on the eParolo platform, and more than that, they connect you with the largest e-commerce marketplaces and source the products for you. And that is the reason they have become one of the biggest dropshipping organizations in the industry right now, with the forever free dropshipping suppliers, automated dropshipping business models, and all-in-one branding service and products with wholesale prices. This is the place to be, and this is the place to get your suppliers from, because you will get products which are quality products and at a very reasonable price. The second website is called ecomsops.com, where you level up your China supply chain and reduce the risk and maximize the flexibility with the best indirect from China fulfillment, and they partner you up to achieve success. And the main thing over here that they're not a sourcing agent, they're a 3PL, meaning they partner up with you to manage your supply chain so you can focus on growing your sales without worrying about fulfillment issues. And over here, the thing that really makes it stand out, because they have helped 3.2 million orders be fulfilled, and they have sourced 4,123 products and successful products which are evergreen. They have factory partners, more than 1,200 and 406 satisfied clients. This is your all-in-one China supply chain solution, where they offer you the world-class service from fulfillment to factory management and everything in between, with customization to your business model, with fast shipping, fulfillment, warehousing, sourcing, customization, and integration. This is the place to get the best suppliers to ensure that you can get a competitive advantage in the industry. The third website, which I personally love, is called dhgate.com, and this is a place where you can find a lot of good bargains that can give you the ability to maximize your profit. And this is where you will be able to find products at a relatively cheaper price and sell it at a much higher price, thus making more profit from this website. dhgate.com has a lot of different products that truly stand out and products that you can source very quickly. The thing which I love about this website is the fact that you can easily get your product at a very fast rate, meaning if you buy it, within a couple of weeks you would have that product. And that is the reason why a lot of different dropshippers right now are turning to dhgate.com. And that is the reason why we've also included banggood.com, because this is also a competitor in the market right now, which can give you a lot of different prices in competition with AliExpress and dhgate as well. So you can find the products, you can search for the product, you can compare the products, and then get the product which is at a reasonable price in comparison to the other two. So it gives you a chance to really find a product where you can maximize your profit. And obviously, with all the information available, it can give you a huge competitive advantage. And if you look at the numbers over here, 26,398 people have bought this product for $8.99. You can easily sell this for $19.99 and make a massive profit on it. This product is sold 2,207 times at $153.99. You can easily increase the price to $199 and make a good profit from it. And if you look at the amount has been sold on Banggood, good, you would be amazed. It is considerably higher than AliExpress, meaning this is a trusted website by a lot of individuals, and if you're not using it, you're missing out on amazing bargains. And that brings us to a very interesting website, which is called worldwidebrands.com, the industry standard of wholesale and dropshipping directory for 20 years, where they have direct access to all wholesalers and there's no middleman taking profit, and a one-time low price with a lifetime access and 16 million certified wholesale products. It is safe, it is secure, and it's scam free. And if you scroll down, you'll be able to find products on a wholesale level. And this is where the true competitive advantage comes for your organization, for your dropshipping business on Shopify. So if you don't have a Shopify account, click in the description below on the link and get your Shopify account, because you can finally get the financial freedom that you've always been dreaming about. And getting items and products from Worldwide Brands will give you the chance to really make a difference in the competition that's in this niche in particular, because once you get a wholesale price, it will be considerably less than getting a price from different website, because you'll be buying and getting items at a larger scale, thus increasing your profit margin considerably. And that brings us to the main website, which is called gearbest.com. This is the perfect place to find essential products, compare them, and get a true bargain, which is considerably high, and you'll be able to make a massive profit. They have flash sales that are available that can get you products at a very reasonable price and increase your profit margin. This is a website where you will find the perfect product for your drop shipping. Now, the tip I'm going to give you guys right now is very important. Don't focus on one website. Don't focus on one supplier. Don't focus on one methodology. Always diversify. Look at different options. Look at different suppliers and include all of them in your drop shipping business to ensure that you will always have a regular stream of products coming into your drop shipping, and you will always have different suppliers supplying the same product, and you'll be able to bargain at different prices, at good prices, and increase your profit margin. And this is a mistake which a lot of dropshippers tend to make, and they focus on only one supplier, and this really puts them in a difficult position in the future. When you have multiple suppliers, you will have multiple chances to increase your profit margin and always give you the competitive advantage that you need to do business successfully. So if you like the video, guys, do let me know in the comment section below. I will be more than happy to help you, guide you, support you, and assist you in whatever matter that you have. And do comment and let me know what you think of the video. If you've not subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family on your social media, on your WhatsApp, on your Twitter, on your Instagram, and on your Facebook, to ensure that more people can find the best places to get the best suppliers to ensure to make a profit on your dropshipping account. So stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.